Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we got some kind of really sad news. This just happened like a couple hours ago. I just put something up on Mopar Insiders a little bit ago, and there was a worker killed this morning at the Stellantis Dundee Engine Plant in Dundee, Michigan. A lot is not known about the whole accident, but according to several things I've read on local like news sites and stuff like that, police scanner traffic was saying that the person that had gotten killed was crushed by some kind of machines or something like that. We don't know what it was, but they said, according to police scanner traffic, that the person was crushed. This is a very dangerous kind of industry that these people work in. A lot of people don't understand how dangerous manufacturing is. You can take all the safety precautions you can. I mean, it doesn't matter if you're working directly on the assembly line, working in an engine plant, working in a distribution warehouse. You can be doing stuff that isn't even related directly with the assembly line, like working in a wastewater treatment plant. Things happen. This is a very dangerous industry. And unfortunately, another life was lost this morning. Now, they're not saying much about this situation because it's under investigation, but we know that it happened early this morning. And again, there was a loss of life. Now, Stellantis did release an actual official statement about the situation. And again, local news really hasn't posted much. Fox 2 News did fly over the Dundee Engine Plant with their helicopter. Not much can be said about this footage. I mean, it's just basically the plant itself. But if you're not familiar with the Dundee Engine Plant, there's a lot of stuff going on there right now. They're gearing up to build a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine that's going to be used for hybrid vehicles like the all-new Jeep Cherokee KM, which I recently shot spy photos of. And then, if we look at their contract, basically they are building, you can see here, they are building the new GME T4 Evo engines. They're also building the EP6, which is that new hybrid engine. And then you can see they're introducing production last year of the Stella frame and large battery trays. Now, we've already talked about this battery tray thing because they are actually recently updated them for the Dodge Charger Daytona. So there's a lot of stuff going on at the plant. There's some retooling and stuff. And we've also heard about future stuff coming down the road, possibly with the addition of Hemi engines. A lot of people have been questioning us on that, but we keep hearing that Hemi engines could be coming to the Dundee Engine Plant eventually. So there's just a lot of stuff going on. And again, it's a massive plant. A lot of people work there. But this isn't this first situation that we've, especially recently with a death at an assembly plant from Stellantis. Back not that long ago, last year, there was an employee that actually was working originally from the Belvedere plant who got transferred to Toledo and actually was caught and crushed on the assembly line for the Jeep Gladiator. So that was a big deal. Stellantis ended up getting fines from OSHA from it. This is an article I did back in December. They finally said that they were going to be fined for it because of his death. And, it's not the first situation. Like I said, there's several. If we go back, here's an article I wrote back in 2021. This was a employee that got killed. He was a crane operator. He got killed at the Sterling stamping plant. So you can go back and there's lots of deaths. It's not something that's very common, but it actually happens quite a bit. Here's one from 2015. This is an employee that worked at the wastewater treatment plant at Jefferson North and somehow got crushed while he was in doing something. So, there's a lot of situations that these people work in. And it doesn't matter, like I said, whereabouts in the plant or whereabouts on the facility property that they are working. There's always dangerous situations. So you can take all the precautions that you want. And it just seems like a lot of these incidences happen with people that are in their 50s for some reason. And they always happen early in the morning. So it's kind of sad to see this happen. We don't know who the person is. They probably won't release it for probably a couple of days at least until, they notify the family and get things going. But again, there's going to be a big investigation about it, and we're probably going to hear more about this situation from the Dundee Engine Plant probably over the next couple of weeks. So again, another sad situation. but you know, that's part of the business in the automotive industry. So anyways, our prayers and thoughts go out to the family of whoever this is. Sad that the UAW lost another member. They haven't released a statement yet, but I will tell you what Stellantis said. So I posted this, and it says, this was from Jody Tinston, who is the spokesperson for Stellantis. She said, our heartfelt condolences go out to the family, friends, and co-workers of the Dundee Engine Plant employee who was involved in a fatal workplace accident this morning. The company is currently working with local authorities to investigate the incident. Out of respect for the family, we are not confirming the identity of the employee at this time. Counseling services will be available for Dundee Engine Plant employees. So, yeah, just another sad situation. And like, again, we'll be following up on this. It'll be very interesting to see what happened. And again, if Stellantis, does get fined from OSHA like they did for the incident that happened at Toledo. So stay tuned. Again, this is just like a breaking story, so I just wanted to get it out there. But I wanted to set some kind of stuff true, because it seems like on YouTube, I when I posted this stuff, even on Facebook, we get like a bunch of these Indian, like fake websites coming in and saying stuff, and it's not true at all. We don't know really what happened. Again, we just heard from scanner traffic that the person was apparently crushed. We don't know how, but we don't know who he is, and these Indian fake websites just keep coming in and putting all this fake news out. So I wanted to put something out and say, hey, this is what we know so far. And we'll update you on Mopar Insiders for sure. I don't know if I'm going to post it on here, but we'll see. So anyways, thanks for coming. Sad day. Thoughts and prayers to the family and the friends and whatnot of, whoever this was that got killed at the Dundee Engine Plant. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.